This is for your Unit 5 and 6 test. Because it has both, you will be doing both adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing. Okay, so first review, add and subtract integers. Remember, this is the song one. Multiplying and dividing has a triangle. Adding and subtracting has the song. First, you change the double negatives to a plus, if you have them. And then, same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the higher absolute value. Then you'll be exact. Okay, so over on the right, we have a few 12 minus negative 2. This is what we mean by a double negative. I'm not talking about something like this where you have two negatives. I'm talking about doubling, meaning that you have two operations next to each other. You have subtracting and negative. There's no number between them. This is a double negative. This is not. Okay? This double negative, you combine them, they cancel to just be a positive. If you're subtracting a negative, you're really just adding a positive. Okay? So now this problem is 12 plus 2. That's all it is. If you have a double negative, it just changes to a plus. Okay, so 12 plus 2 is 14. All right, same signs, add and keep. Second one, negative 8 minus 10. Okay, remember you box your numbers with the signs to their left. Okay, so my subtraction sign goes with my 10. So really this is a negative 8. Combine it with a negative 10. Same signs, add and keep. So negative 8 plus negative 10 equals negative 18. All right. Last one, negative 7 plus 12. Box it. My negative stays. My plus is now positive 12. Okay, I have different signs. Different signs, subtract. What's the difference between 12 and 7? 12 minus 7 equals 5. Keep the sign of the higher absolute value. If I put them in absolute value bars, which one would come out higher? This would come out as positive 7, and this would come out as 12. 12 has the higher absolute value, so it is just a positive 5. Okay, you don't have to put positive signs. The only signs that you'll have to put or bubble are if it's negative. If it has no sign, it's positive. Okay, so now practice. Number 1, negative 4 minus 5. What do you get? Okay, you should have boxed it. Negative 4, this is now a negative 5. Same signs, add and keep. Negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. All right, negative 2, 20 plus negative 8. What do you get? Okay, you should have done, this is a positive. This one goes with the sign to the left. It's negative. You don't box it with both of them. You just box it to the one directly to the left. So this is a positive 20 plus negative 8. So I have different signs, subtract. 20 minus 8 is 12. And 20 has a higher absolute value than 8. So it's just positive. Okay, number 3, last one. Negative 2 minus negative 5. Remember, this is a double negative. What do you get? Okay, you should have negative 2, and I'm going to combine this plus 5, positive 5. Okay, different signs, subtract, because it's now a negative 2 and a positive 5. If I change this to a plus, this is now a positive 5. Okay, subtract, my difference is 3, and 5 has the higher absolute value.